Moi kaikki! In today's video, we will go over some more direction words in Finnish. The first word I want to go over is a bit of a tricky one to pronounce. Ylös. 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 So it starts with the letter U, and then it also contains the letter Ö in it. U, ja, Ö. Ylös. Ö. Ylös. Ylös, which means up. Ylös. 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 Movement upwards. Movement upwards. Upwards in Finnish is ylöspäin. So ylös on ylöspäin. Some example sentences are menen portaita ylös. Menen portaita ylös. Menen portaita ylös. I'm going up the stairs. So menen, I go. Portaita, stairs plural. Portaita, ylös, up. I'm going up the stairs. Menen portaita ylös. Or menen hissillä ylös. Menen, I go. Hissillä, elevator or lift. Ylös. Menen hissillä, with the lift. Ylös. Menen hissillä ylös. Opposite of ylös is alas. 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 Alas, which means down. Movement alaspäin. Downwards is alaspäin, or just alas for down. Alas. Laitoin kupin alas pöydälle. Laitoin, I put, kupin, a cup, alas, down, pöydälle, on the table. Laitoin kupin alas pöydälle. Alas. 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 Down. Laitoin kupin alas pöydälle. Juoksin mäkeä alas. Juoksin, I ran, mäkeä, a hill, alas, down. I ran down the hill. Juoksin mäkeä alas. Juoksin mäkeä alas. Eli ylös ja alas. Ylös, alas. Ylös, alas. Next we'll go over left and right. So right is oikea. 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 Oikea means right, like the right side. Oikea. Oikea puoli, the right side. For example, tämä on minun oikea käsi. Or in puhekieli, tää on mun oikea käsi. Oikee is the puhekieli form of oikea. Tää on mun oikea käsi. Oikea, oikee, right, my right hand. Some other useful forms of the oikea word is oikealla, means on the right side. Oikealla. For example, kauppa on oikealla puolella katua. So kauppa, the store, on is oikealla puolella, on the right side, katua, of the street. Kauppa on oikealla puolella katua, on the right side of the street. Oikealla, on the right. Or oikealle, which means to the right. Oikealle, to the right. For example, mene oikealle puun jälkeen. Mene means go, the command form of mennä, to go. Mene oikealle, to the right, puun jälkeen, after the tree. Mene oikealle puun jälkeen. Oikealle, to the right. So oikea or oikee, the right. right, oikealla, on the right, and oikealle, to the right. Oppositely, this side is vasen. 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 Vasen puoli, the left side, or just vasen. Vasen. Vasen, the left. I'm doing it now mirrored for the camera, but tämä on minun vasen silmä. Oren puhekieli, tää on mun vasen silmä. Tää on mun vasen, left, silmä, eye. Similarly, we can say vasemmalla to mean on the left. Vasemmalla, on the left. For example, vasemmalla on kauniita kukkia. On the left, there are pretty flowers. Or in English, it's more natural to say, there are pretty flowers on the left. On the left, vasemmalla. Vasemmalla, on the left. Vasemmalla on kauniita kukkia. Vasemmalle means to the left. Vasemmalle, to the left. So, mennään vasemmalle, let's go to the left. Mennään, let's go. Vasemmalle, to the left. So, oikea, vasen, oikealla, on the right, vasemmalla, on the left, oikealle, to the right, vasemmalle, to the left. And at the end here, I want to add a little fun trick, which I just learned about a few weeks ago. It has to do with Oikea and Vasen, not necessarily this video topic, but hold on a second. If you pretend you're at a get-together or a party and your friend asks you to refill your drink as you're going to refill your own glass, say you have a glass of water and your friend is like, oh, could you refill my glass as well? And you're walking over to put some more water in your glasses, and on the way back you forget, oh no, which glass was mine and which one was my friend's? I can't remember anymore. Well, I was just taught this little trick in Finnish that can help you. So, pretend these are drinking glasses and they look the same. This is just my skincare. The little trick is vasen vieras ja oikea oma. So if you have two glasses that look the same and you put oikea oma, right, your own. So oma in Finnish means my own. Own. Oma. So oikea and oma both start with O. Oikea oma, the right, mine. Or, well, now it's mirrored again, so sorry. Oikea oma, the right, mine. And vasen vieras. Vieras means like stranger. So vieras, stranger, vasen, left, both start with V. So if you keep that trick in mind, vasen vieras, oikea oma, then you'll always remember which glass is your own. Just at the end of this video, I would like to remind all of my Patreon and YouTube channel members that are on level 2 that I have uploaded the February workbook now. If you didn't know, my level 2 members get a monthly Finnish workbook that I upload for them. It's roughly 10 euros every month, which includes different exercises and audio tasks and different writing tasks that you can fill out, which are based on that month's YouTube videos that I have uploaded. So the purpose of that is to just refresh your memory and practice the content that we have learned together here on YouTube. You can cancel the membership at any time, but if you do become a level 2 member, I actually have been doing these workbooks for about 2 years now. So all of those 2 years worth of workbooks, so over 20, are available for you to immediately download once you become a member. So it's actually a pretty good deal if you are at all interested in that. Mutta kiitos paljon kun katsoitte ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!